Greetings and salutations from the adventure spot.
We're back, baby. It's been a long winter.
We're back at Kings Island for the 2023 season.
The Isle of Kings.
It's a kind of overcast day. I don't know, maybe mid to upper 60s, but we're actually here. Becca's going to take some photos with her Canon camera.
I got
and we're gonna get some maybe off-ride footage, I don't know, but we're mainly here. We got a meal plan, dining plan, and we're here to try it's a new restaurant here, Grain and Grill,
which we tried at King's Dominion, and I liked it.
Yeah, so we're gonna,
and I know it's highly controversial. Some people are like, who wants healthy food at a theme park or an amusement park? That would be me. I'm all for it, yeah. I'm all for it. I mean, don't get me wrong. Don't come between me and my funnel cake, right?
Right.
But it's nice to have a healthier option too.
And we live about 10 minutes away, so why not for lunch? You know, it's included. Why not? So we're gonna check out Grain and Grill and take you along. Do you want to do the Grain and Grill platter? It's on the meal plan. Okay, is that what? Oh, so we choose. Yeah. So you get a Grain and Grill platter, which is on the dining plan, and then
it's an entree, a side, and an artesian bread.
So, you want to do the Moroccan chicken? Or,
sounds good.
Okay. And then what about a side?
I wonder what the seasonal veggies are.
We can ask. What are pierogies? Do you know what that is?
Pierogies, it is like a, I want to say a potato dumpling.
Okay.
It's of a Polish origin.
Polish origin, okay.
I believe. So, viewers, feel free to call me out on any of that if I am wrong. Educate me.
And then you have a artesian bread. So we'll probably go, I don't know, whatever you want to do.
Well, you get whatever you want.
Okay.
I can't eat
grilled artesian bread.
I mean, I can.
Focaccia and garlic naan. Okay. So not a bad menu. It's looks pretty healthy for the most part. Plenty of seating, looks like.
Hi. Are you filming?
Yeah.
The artesian bread and the beef. Alright. You want to try the pierogies?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's do pierogies. Let's do something different. Alright? I'm sorry, any desserts? No. Have a nice day.
Thank you. All right, so we just got our food. You want to explain what we got?
So we went for the artesian bread and the, hold on, somebody's standing in front of it. The Greek roasted beef and the pierogi. And we got the romesco sauce, which they said was really good with beef. It's a little on the puny side as far as portions go, which I'm surprised. Normally, Cedar Fair gives a good portion on these plans. So I wonder if they're trying to cut back on people doing what we're doing.
Yeah, who knows, maybe. I guess we'll find out during the year.
But interested to try it and see how it goes.
Are you supposed to dip that in the sauce, or is that for the, okay. I wasn't sure if that was for the pierogi or.
The beef is good. Not super tender, but good. Nice flavor. That is a roasted red pepper sauce, which I do not love roasted red peppers, but if I did, I think I would like it. So there's the pierogi, which we have not determined exactly what it is. I have no idea what that is, but it's pretty good.
Okay.
I would eat it
Are
again.
you supposed to dip that as well?
If you
or-
want, but
Yeah,
I don't
okay.
care for the roasted red pepper. Cheers.
All right, so we just finished our lunch. I tried, you know, what Becca tried, and I agree the roast beef was pretty good. Not as tender, probably, but it was flavorful. And the pierogi was good as well. The sauce was, I liked. She's not a big fan of red pepper, so. But the bread was disappointing. It was just like you could go to the store and cut off a piece of Italian bread. And I would recommend trying either the naan or what was the other? Focaccia. So.
But we haven't tried them yet.
Right,
so.
we haven't tried them yet, but just so you're aware, the artesian bread that they call it was okay. So we're headed to the Eiffel Tower now. Becca's gonna get some shots with her Canon SLR.
DSLR.
I think that's a given anymore.
Y'all didn't see the eye roll.
That'll do it for a day at Kings Island. Actually, maybe a few hours.
Yeah.
Wasn't that long. We just
Wandered around, took some pictures.
Yeah. Had lunch at the Grain and Grill. It was all right.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. So we're probably gonna stop and get a snack somewhere. I think the next time we'll post a video is probably Coaster Stock, which is coming up in a few weeks. Our first time at
We're going to Coaster Stock!
So we got our t-shirts in the mail and
Our wristbands.
I don't know if we have itinerary yet.
Yes, we
Oh,
do.
Okay.
And so this is exciting. It sold out in I think 3 minutes. Our timestamp was 10:01. I was
So we look forward to
lots of
with you.
stuff
Yep.
to take pictures of.
But until then, thanks for watching, and
We will see you on our next adventure.